Hey guys, today I will show you how to clean your MAF sensor at home. But at first, thank you all for helping me to reach the 100 subscribers. Now let's get started and take the sensor out together. So as you can see, the sensor is out. So now we have to clean it and see what happens at next. I hope this video helped you to clean your MAF sensor at home. If I did, let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple car videos. I will see you in the next one.